In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install an older version of CapCut on your PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. CapCut is a free video editor that is very simple and user-friendly, making it a popular choice for many beginner video editors. To get started, open your browser and search for CapCut Old Versions. Open the first link in the results that has Windows in the title, and make sure that the website is uptodown.com. On the page, scroll down and click See More to reveal the list of older versions. Now scroll down until you find the specific version. This particular version is popular because many users report it has features that are now premium. Scroll down and click the Download button. After the file is downloaded, launch the setup file to begin the installation. Check the box to agree to the user agreement and then click Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click Start Now, and there you have it. This older version of CapCut is now installed on your computer.